Razer Leviathan soundbar. Hey guys, I am Pete, and you are watching Product Reviews. The Razer Leviathan's 5-channel surround sound setting is ideal for gaming and movie viewing. For those who prefer listening to music hands-free, the device includes a Bluetooth 4 wireless music streaming mode. Because it lacks a remote, the Razer Leviathan is better suited to a workstation than a home theater, despite its impressive sound quality. Unlike other soundbars, Razer's Leviathan is a completely unique product. Miniature enough to fit under your monitor, and HDTV, it has a built-in subwoofer, and Bluetooth for hands-free use. The Razer Leviathan allows you to connect to devices wirelessly, eliminating the need for a connection. Due to the soundbar's design, you can mount the Razer Leviathan behind your monitor. Extensive sound quality, but with minimal visual clutter. Want to purchase this? Link is in description. Hope that's the cheapest link anywhere available. The 10-hour battery life and NFC connection of the Razer Leviathan Mini. With headphones, Razer has had some success in the gaming audio market. Portable Bluetooth speaker with microphone for hands-free speakerphone make it an excellent choice for travel. When it comes to sound systems for home theaters, there's no comparison. Unlike other soundbars, Razer's Leviathan is a completely unique product. If you are seeing this channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe, right now. If you're looking for a compact speaker that can fit under both your monitor and your HDTV, this is the one for you. Comparing its $199 price to other subwoofer-equipped home theater soundbars, it's a steal, and it delivers excellent, if not perfect, performance. Because it lacks a remote, it's better suited as a computer speaker rather than an HDTV soundbar. The Razer Leviathan Bluetooth speaker allows you to wirelessly connect your devices. Use a single speaker in your design. Thanks to the soundbar's design, the Razer Leviathan Bluetooth speaker can be positioned under your monitor for amazing sound without adding any more clutter. Design when measured in terms of width, height, and depth, the Leviathan, $199 at Walmart, is tiny compared to most other home theater soundbars. In keeping with Razer's dark, high-tech looks, it features a black metallic grille that has been squished somewhat in the middle. The grille conceals two 2.5-inch mid-range drivers, and 2.25-inch tweeters, each capable of handling in 15 watts of continuous power. Several lighted controls are located above the company's Snake Triskelion logo on the constrained area of the soundbar. In addition to volume control and input selection, the controls contain buttons for turning on and off Dolby Virtual Surround, and selecting between game, music, and movie equalization settings. Black matte plastic covers the soundbar's exterior, with a gradual transition to the back panel. A dip in the panel's bottom edge conceals the optical and 3mm audio inputs, as well as the power connector, and a socket for attaching the included subwoofer. Flat and inclined feet allow the Leviathan to sit at any angle between 0 and 18 degrees, depending on the task at hand. Using the holes on the rear of the soundbar, you may also attach it to a wall. As with the tweeter, the subwoofer is a little black dot. It resembles a giant keyboard key thanks to its rounded sides and sloping top, which is adorned with another Razer logo. A single cable connects it directly to the soundbar, and it doesn't need its own power outlet, unlike many soundbar subwoofers. The subwoofer features a 30-watt, 5-inch downward-firing driver. It's embarrassing to sit on the sofa due to the lack of a remote. HDTV compatibility is severely limited. Only the soundbar's volume control buttons can be used to directly alter the volume. So, couch potatoes trying to watch TV but not have their phones within arm's reach are in a pickle. It would be possible to control the Leviathan using HDMI SEC, or pre-programmed remote commands if the beast had an HDMI connection, or an IR sensor. You can't adjust the volume of your HDTV when using optical audio, so you'll have to get up, and utilize the soundbar's settings. When using the soundbar at your workstation rather than in front of your couch, this isn't an issue. However, if done well, simulated surround sound may make movies and games appear to be larger and more immersive than a soundbar would otherwise appear to enable. Slashes, gunfire, and Combo Christ music from DMC. Devil May Cry Definitive Edition felt like they were coming from all directions thanks to the Leviathan's game mode's virtual and half-channel surround sound. For movies like Jurassic Park, the soundbar isn't quite as impressive, at least not for films with fewer guns, and agrotech industrial soundtrack, such as The Dark Knight Rises. The soundbar lacked high-end clarity to completely immerse me in the sound of rain falling on the vehicle. But the small subwoofer gave a satisfying rumble with each thumping step of the T-Rex. It was obvious that this is much smaller soundbar than one placed under a huge HDTV, despite the fact that the language remained clear and simple to hear. It's not a half-channel surround system, so don't be fooled. When it comes to music playback, the Leviathan is a fantastic soundbar for its size and affordable price. Even if the kick drum hits were a tad poppy, it played Silent Shout by the Knife at maximum volume with noticeable force, and no distortion. The system's subwoofer makes it able to shake walls, and while it can't quite match the loudness of full-size soundbars built for HDTVs, it can get close. Unless you're using it with your HDTV in a tiny living room, you probably won't want to turn the Leviathan's volume past halfway if it's just a desktop soundbar. Not so much that it interferes with music that isn't as bass-heavy as the Leviathan. In Nick Cave and the Bad Seeds' Red Right Hand, Cave's vocals have just enough edge to cut through the deep, rolling notes of the bass line, which stayed consistent and prominent throughout the song. MC Lars' This Gigantic Robot Kills, with its twangy guitar and soaring vocals, held its own against the song's more than ideal bass line. The Leviathan, despite its bass-heavy inclinations, sounds surprisingly balanced given its focus on games rather than music. Because of its built-in subwoofer, the Razer Leviathan soundbar packs a lot of power into a small, and reasonably priced package. Although it sounds exciting, it lacks the subtlety needed to pull the best out of a picture. A lack of a remote severely limits the soundbar's utility in any setup where it is not within reach. As a desk speaker, this one is a good choice. However, the one-piece Polken 1 soundbar, $199 at Amazon, is a better alternative if you want speakers with your HDTV. Audio quality is good, and it includes a remote that is ideal for couch use, but it lacks a subwoofer, and produces less bass than the Leviathan. The Harman Kardon Sound Sticks 3 cordless, $169, and half from Harman Kardon, are a good option. If you're looking for desktop speakers that are less geared toward gaming, and more of a stereo satellite setup for your PC. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.